You are throwing $1,000 away every single month. One injection, one massive bill, zero guarantees. You feel sick after every single shot. You lose the weight, yes, but the moment you stop, every pound rushes back. Every single one of them. That is the Ozempic trap, and millions of people are stuck inside it right now. But here's what the pharmaceutical industry never told you. There is a drink you can make at home today. It costs less than $1 to prepare. It targets the exact same hormone that Ozempic targets. It does something that the drug cannot even touch. It pulls fat directly out of your liver. And your liver is the hidden reason you cannot lose weight. Not your diet, not your effort, your liver. No needle required, no prescription required, no side effects at all. Just 1 cup every single day. Stay with me because this information changes everything. Meet Sarah. She is 42 years old and completely exhausted. She has tried every single diet on the internet, every supplement, every program, every so-called solution. She even tried Ozempic for 3 full months. She lost some weight at first. Then, the nausea arrived and hit her hard. The mood swings started creeping in every single day. Her energy disappeared completely. She stopped the injections, and the weight came back faster than before. Every single pound, and then some. Sound familiar to you? Because Sarah is absolutely not alone. Millions of women and men are living this exact same cycle. Going in circles, spending money, losing hope. The problem was never Sarah's willpower. The problem was never her discipline or her effort. The problem was a tiny invisible enzyme hiding inside her body. It was silently destroying every single fat-burning effort she made, every single day without her knowing. Sarah had no idea this hidden enemy even existed, and chances are, neither do you right now. But that is exactly what we are going to fix today. Here is the truth that nobody is talking about. Inside your body right now, there is a destructive enzyme. It is called DPP4. Think of it as a tiny, silent assassin living inside you. Every single day, your body naturally makes a hormone. That hormone is called GLP-1. GLP-1 is your built-in fullness and fat-burning signal. It tells your brain one simple message: stop eating, you are full. It keeps your blood sugar stable and steady. It keeps fat burning switched on inside your body. But here is the brutal problem. DPP4 destroys your GLP-1 within just 2 minutes. 2 minutes after your body makes it, gone. That is why you feel hungry again so fast after eating. That is why your fat burning keeps shutting off unexpectedly. Your own body is working against you silently every day. Ozempic works by sneaking past this exact enzyme. That is literally the entire trick behind the billion-dollar drug. But nature discovered this solution thousands of years ago, long before any laboratory or pharmaceutical company existed, and the solution has been available to you this whole time. 2 simple ingredients, 1 powerful cup, results that will genuinely surprise you. The first ingredient is matcha green tea. Not the faded, dusty powder sitting on a grocery shelf. Not the cheap version with no real potency left. I am talking about high catechin, organic, ceremonial grade matcha. Here is why the grade and quality matter so much. Catechins are the active fat-burning compounds inside green tea. Regular green tea has some catechins, yes, a little. But matcha contains 3 to 10 times more catechins per cup. Because with matcha, you consume the entire leaf itself, ground down into pure, concentrated, potent powder. Now here is where the science becomes truly exciting. In a double-blind clinical trial, researchers put this to the test. Patients with existing fatty liver disease were selected. They drank high catechin green tea every single day. Every day for 12 consecutive weeks without stopping. Doctors performed ultrasounds and CT scans before and after. The results came back completely undeniable. The high catechin group lost significantly more body fat overall. Their liver fat ratio moved from 91% up to 101%. That number means fat was actively and visibly leaving the liver. Not sitting there, not building up, actively leaving. Matcha also directly blocks that DPP-4 enzyme we discussed. It boosts your natural GLP-1 production, just like Ozempic does, but completely without a single needle ever touching your skin. This is your natural fat-burning switch built into the earth, and matcha is the key that finally turns it on. But matcha alone does not perform at its absolute best. There is a second ingredient that multiplies the entire effect. It is called Moringa. People around the world call it the miracle tree. And honestly, after looking at the research, that name is earned. Moringa has been used in traditional medicine for 4,000 years. 4,000 years of recorded healing history. Inside the moringa leaf, there is a specific compound. That compound is called isothiocyanates. This compound directly attacks the DPP-4 enzyme in your body. It hits the same biological pathway as costly pharmaceutical drugs, the same pathway that billion-dollar medications target daily. But Moringa does it naturally, gently, and without side effects. In a 16-week human clinical trial, researchers measured this. People who added Moringa to their daily routine saw real results. They lost 6 times more fat than the placebo group. Not 6% more fat, 6 times more total fat loss across the entire study. Moringa also actively prevents fat from building up in the liver. Its powerful antioxidants protect and repair liver cells continuously. Every single day, it is working inside you. So now imagine combining both matcha and moringa together. Matcha boosts your GLP-1 and clears existing fat from your liver. Moringa blocks the enzyme and stops new fat from ever forming. Together, these two are not just additive in their effect. Together, they are genuinely multiplied. Now let me show you exactly how to make this drink correctly. Step 1. Start with 8 to 12 ounces of hot water. Not boiling water, hot water only. Boiling temperature actively destroys the catechins we discussed. Those are the exact compounds doing the fat-burning work. Step 2. Add half a teaspoon of organic matcha powder. Choose the highest quality, brightest green powder you can find. Step 3. Sprinkle in your moringa leaf powder. Always use ground leaf moringa, never a processed extract. Heat processed extracts destroy the isothiocyanates completely inside. The most important compound is gone before you even drink it. Step 4. Whisk everything together until perfectly smooth. No clumps, no separation, fully combined. Now here are 2 power upgrades that multiply the effect. First upgrade, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Researchers at Purdue University discovered something fascinating here. Citrus juice preserves 5 times more catechins through digestion. Without lemon, your body absorbs only 20% of the benefits. With lemon, absorption jumps all the way to 80%. That one small squeeze changes your entire result dramatically. Second upgrade, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This is completely optional, but highly worth considering. It blunts the blood sugar spike from your very next meal. It also activates the same GLP-1 pathway as matcha itself. 3 ingredients, now all pulling on the exact same lever. Now here is what you must absolutely avoid adding. Avoid sugar in any form. Avoid flavored syrups completely. Avoid heavy dairy as much as possible. These ingredients undo the blood sugar benefits almost immediately. They work directly against everything we just built together. Drink this 30 minutes to 2 hours before your biggest meal. That timing window is where the maximum fat-burning effect happens. Here is the free hack I promised you at the very start. It will cost you absolutely nothing to do. Walk after your meal. That is the entire secret. Just 10 to 30 minutes of gentle walking, right after you finish eating. Now, here is where it gets genuinely exciting. Combine that post-meal walk with matcha already in your system. A study from the University of Chichester tested this exact combination. They measured 2 groups of women over 3 weeks carefully. One group walked after meals without any matcha at all. The second group drank matcha daily and then walked after meals. The matcha plus walking group showed something remarkable in results. They experienced 35% more fat oxidation during the walk. 35% more fat actively burned from the exact same walk. Not 5% more, not 10% more, 35% more fat burning from simply adding the drink. Walking after a meal also dramatically drops your blood sugar. Even just 10 minutes of walking makes a measurable difference. People who walk after meals have lower blood sugar all day long. Lower blood sugar means your insulin levels stay low and stable. Low insulin means your body remains in active fat-burning mode. Not for 30 minutes, for hours and hours afterwards. The matcha and moringa protect and amplify your GLP-1 hormone. The post-meal walk amplifies that GLP-1 even further beyond that. 3 completely separate levers, all pulling in the same direction, all activated at the exact same time by you. That precise combination is why this protocol works so powerfully, and that is why the results are so dramatically different. So here is your complete and simple protocol starting right now. Make your matcha moringa drink before your biggest meal today. Add the fresh lemon juice. Do not skip that step. Then go for a walk right after that meal. Even 10 minutes makes a real and measurable difference. That is your entire system. No injections needed for this, no $1,000 monthly prescriptions, no miserable side effects to manage, no waiting rooms, no doctors, no pharmacy lines. Just 2 powerful natural ingredients and 1 simple daily walk. Your body starts doing what it was always designed to do: burn fat naturally, efficiently, and sustainably every single day. If this video helped you in any way today, please share it. Share it with someone still trapped inside the Ozempic cycle. Someone spending thousands and getting diminishing returns. They deserve to know this information exists. And watch my next video right now before you leave. I show you 6 specific upgrades for your morning coffee. Each one turns your daily cup into a fat-burning weapon. Every single level stacks on top of the previous one. The combined effect is something you genuinely need to see. See you in the next one.